So we have created 24 frame loop of walking, but I would like this animation to last longer and our character to actually go somewhere. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to increase the working time range and we're going to extrapolate this animation. The way it's done, we're going to need the graph editor to do that actually. So let's change our UI so that we can see the graph editor. Let's split that view, change to graph editor. And here we see the curves that are actually representing the animation that we have done. So with these curves selected, we go to the channel extrapolation menu and pick make cyclic, which is gonna loop these animations. Yep. As you can see on the curves, you can already see that the animations are looped. Let's just play it back. Yes. So we have now infinite walking animation that is controlled by just a couple of keyframes that we have at the start. Now let's add some root motion to this walk so the character doesn't walk on one place. We've accidentally added some keyframes to it before, and before we proceed, let's remove them. So go key, clear keyframes, and clear channels. That way we're sure that there are no keys on that. And Alt-G to return it in case you had it in a different position, just reset its position. And let's go to frame 24 and see and just animate the root to a distance that we think the character would have walked in 2 steps. We could use some object to measure the distance. That is done sometimes in animation, but right now I think we can just eyeball it. So with the Alt key on, let's just move that object forward. Like that, and you see that created the curve. And it's an X, no, Y location, I think. Where is it though? Oh, in my case, it's down there, and let's change the tangents of that curve because I don't want it to be like that. Let's switch it to linear. Yes, and now let's go to the extrapolation menu and go to linear here as well. Now with these 2 keys we control the speed of this character's walk. As you can see, it's not gonna walk indefinitely now. I think it's sliding a little bit. Yes. You can see there is a light slide. So let's correct that by changing its position in that frame, which is, as you can see, changing the whole motion curve of that root. Okay. I think that looks okay, and we can actually get to rendering that out